Bed bugs make a horrific comeback, and experts are warning against an exploding epidemic.
Before we begin, do us a favor and click that like button. Also subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to be inspired by these inspiring stories every day.
When it comes to creepy crawlies, there's almost nothing worse than bed bugs. As soon as you even hear the term bed bugs, you get itchy feeling all over your skin. Unfortunately, we aren't about to make you feel much better, because bed bugs are actually on the rise. I know I'm not happy about it either, but this is where we are. Daryl Frank, owner of SOS Pest Control in Kansas City, spoke with KMOV4 and revealed that the increase is staggering. In 2002, I think we did 3 jobs. In 2004, we did 20. We did 900 last year. The problem is that it's not just that bed bugs are in beds, they're showing up all over the place, including movie theaters, airports, and libraries. It keeps getting worse too. Not only are they infecting all kinds of places, they're extremely difficult to kill. Frank explained that they're very resistant to insecticides naturally, which means that it takes a lot of effort to get rid of them. The method that Frank claims works the best for bed bugs is actually heat, but obviously that's not easy to do. Researchers have actually been looking into what they have referred to as a bed bug epidemic, claiming that the increase that apparently started in 2004. They wanted to discover the best ways to eradicate the pests and what needed to be done to stop this so-called epidemic from spreading any further. A few states have been seeing their infestation levels rise faster than others. However, it's reported that numbers are going up across the country. But according to the new study and the Bed Bug Organization, infestations have reached epidemic levels in some states such as New York, Ohio, Florida, and California. It's suspected that this rise is influenced by the fact that bed bugs have become resistant to the current pest chemicals, and because they can be carried from place to place on clothing and other soft materials. Like furniture, they spread easily as people travel, both globally and locally. Experts believe that in order to eradicate the pests, researchers are going to need to develop new pesticides that can take out the bed bugs once and for all. If you have bed bugs in your home, you need to deal with it as soon as possible, because not only will their numbers increase over time, but you'll also be responsible for transporting the bugs with you everywhere you go, thereby spreading the infestation. How can you tell if you have bed bugs? Rust-colored or red stains on soft surfaces like mattresses and couches. Look in the corners and dark areas to find these feeding areas. The red marks are usually either marks of squished bugs or of live bugs voiding remains, so they have more room to eat. Dark spots on soft surfaces, unlike the red stains, these are actually the bug's feces. You'll probably see both in the same areas. Eggs and shells. They're small yellow shells, and it's obviously scary because that means the numbers are growing. Live bugs may be hard to spot because they tend to be afraid of the light, but if you even see one bug, know that that means there are literally hundreds you haven't seen yet. Bug bites on your body will start showing up all over your arms, legs, neck, and even face. You'll get annoying little scabs or bumps where they bite you and feed on your blood. As you can see, the infestation of bed bugs and mites are a common problem for many households nowadays. It's quite a scary thing that there are these tiny creatures that are crawling on the right mattress where you're lying in. Of course, immediate action is needed to stop the proliferation of these invaders. Before you call the exterminators, you should do proper mattress cleaning first. After all, dirty mattresses and beds are more susceptible to being infested than cleaner ones. An infographic guide from A Sleepy Wolf can teach you all the fundamental methods of mattress care. You should check the other aspects of preserving the quality of cleanliness of the mattress. Once you can execute these things correctly, you've already reduced its susceptibility from being visited by bed bugs. The world is filled with stories going viral every single day. But how many of these sites can you actually follow? We understand that your day should start with positive stories that resonate with you. And so we started JoJo Stories. Our mission is to create meaningful stories that cover everything from animals to anthropology, history to environment and lifestyle. The kind of content you read on our site will be one you'll want to share with your family and friends. We hope you'll join our growing family and be part of our community. Welcome to JoJo Stories. JoJoStories.com.